Hey guys, no fun this time. I have a real big issue with the Fiido D11, the electric foldable bike. And what happened is, the lock of the mechanism, of the folding mechanism broke, and I can no longer lock the bike. And as you can imagine, if you have a foldable bike and you can't lock it, it's unable to ride. And it's only about this little piece. It's a small spring. Check this, the spring broke and the spring locks a little socket on an iron rod, and that's the mechanism which locks the bike. But come a bit closer and I'll show you the problem and how I try to solve it. That is the iron rod which is mounted inside the frame, and on this rod is a socket with a little nipple, and the nipple should prevent the socket from slipping, but at the moment you can twist it around and it slips, but it shouldn't. So I have to re-weld this little nipple which prevents the socket from slipping, and on top is the spring which broke. It should hold the socket in place, but it doesn't because it's broken, and I have to create a new spring which holds the socket in place, and I have to re-weld the nipple, and hopefully I can fix this issue. Yeah, first things first, that's the socket with the little nipple, and as you can see I can turn it around, but the nipple should prevent that. So I will re-weld this little nipple that the socket can't slip on the rod. So let's do it. The nipple is back in place and stops the socket from twisting. Now I have to recreate the spring to fix the lock of the folding bike. I found this piece of wire with a spring in my scrap box, and the spring has the same diameter as the broken one, so I will cut it, bend it, and I will use it as a replacement spring. Yeah, the problem is fixed, and I had all that trouble only because of a little broken spring which costs nearly nothing. That's really annoying, and it cost me 2.5 hours to fix it, but now it's time to take the bike for a ride. Thank you.